In this video, I'll show you how to add a sales tax rate in Wave. First, log into your Wave account and open the business you want to use. Next, click your business name in the top left corner and open Settings. Now, find the Taxes section and select Sales Taxes. After that, click Add a Sales Tax to create a new tax rate. Enter the name of the tax, such as State Sales Tax, and enter the percentage rate that you need to charge. If Wave asks for additional information, select the appropriate tax authority or jurisdiction and enter the required details. Next, review the tax rate carefully and make sure the percentage is correct for your business. After that, click Save to add the sales tax to your Wave account. Once the tax has been saved, you can use it when creating invoices. Open Sales, select Invoices, and create or edit an invoice. When you add a product or service, choose the sales tax rate you created so Wave can calculate the tax automatically. Finally, review the invoice total and confirm that the correct tax has been applied before sending the invoice to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a sales tax rate in Wave. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.